If you lose access to your cryptocurrency, no bank can recover it for you. No support team can reset it. It is gone. That is why storing your crypto safely is one of the most important decisions you will ever make. In this lesson, you will understand what cold wallets are, why they are the safest option for long-term storage, and how to use them correctly. A cold wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet that is kept offline. It can be a hardware device that stores your private keys securely, or a written backup stored in a safe place. Because it is not connected to the internet, it is far less exposed to hacking, phishing, or online attacks. This makes cold wallets the preferred option for holding large amounts of cryptocurrency over a long period. They give you full control and strong protection. But with that control comes responsibility. If you lose your wallet or your recovery phrase, your funds cannot be recovered. There is no reset option. That is why proper backup is critical. Always store your recovery phrase in a secure and private location. Never save it online.
Never share it with anyone.
Think of your cold wallet like a vault. It is designed to protect your assets, but only if you handle it properly. Most experienced users do not rely on just one type of wallet. They use a combination. A hot wallet is used for quick access and everyday transactions. A cold wallet is used to store larger amounts safely for the long term. This approach gives you both flexibility and security. To stay safe, always keep backups in secure locations. Make sure only you can access your recovery phrase. Double check your setup so you do not lose access in the future. Cold wallets are not about convenience, they are about protection. To recap, cold wallets are offline, highly secure, and ideal for long-term storage, but they require careful handling and full responsibility. If you understand this, you are already ahead of many beginners. Follow CTC to continue learning the right way. In the next lesson, you will learn how to avoid scams, fraud, and common mistakes in the crypto space.